Hello, beautiful dreamers, and welcome back to Life of a Dreamer. My name is Darian Wright. Thank y'all so much for tuning in today. So today's video is going to be a follow-up to the video where I shared my favorite dark spot serum ever with you guys. Because unfortunately, after I shared that video, that formula was discontinued. Like, they don't make it anymore. They don't sell it. You can't buy it. And I couldn't leave y'all hanging because so many people were commenting and asking me like where to buy the formula. They couldn't find it on the website. Y'all don't exist no more. So I'm gonna bring y'all the second best option. So stay tuned if y'all want to find out what that's all about. As a licensed esthetician, I always like to say we all have different skin, we all have different lifestyles, and we all react differently. Please be careful before you try anything that you see on the internet. Be sure to talk to a doctor or a dermatologist, especially if you are pregnant or on any type of medication. Please do your research and do what works best for you. I want y'all all to have beautiful, glowing skin, but I also want y'all to be safe out here. Y'all know I love y'all. Now let's get into this video. So real quick, I'm going to get into the changes of the formula and why we have this new formula and they don't make the old formula anymore. So for those of y'all that don't know, hydroquinone is an ingredient that helps like lighten dark spots, even your skin tone, all that kind of good stuff. But it's a little bit controversial because it is a skin lightening agent. It can be used incorrectly, or it can be abused, I would say, to help lighten like major parts of your body, and it's not a good thing if you have too much of it. So it is heavily regulated. There are products with higher percentages available, but you can usually only get those with like prescriptions, or they're just not available in certain countries. And then there are some products that have lower percentages and they are available over the counter. You can just get them at the store. So it's really being regulated and different things are happening. So the products you used to buy with hydroquinone in it, you probably can't find anymore, or you have to like get a prescription or something like that. So things are changing and they took it out of their formula. I'm glad they revamped their formula though and just didn't leave anybody hanging. So the previous formula had hydroquinone at 2%, and this new formula has Synovia at 1%. And I don't know much about Synovia, but what I have learned about Synovia recently from trying this out is that it's supposed to be like even more potent than hydroquinone, but safer. But since it's more potent, it can be used at a lower percentage, which is why there's only 1% Synovia in the new formula, while there was 2% hydroquinone in the other formula. So from my understanding, it's supposed to be safer but stronger. So, you know, there's that. So I'm gonna get into this review to show y'all. I know y'all love seeing like the day-by-day check-ins or week-by-week check-ins. So let's get into that and we'll talk about some more stuff after that. Okay, so it is day one. I just got done cleaning my face 2 times just to remove all the makeup and everything like that. I haven't put anything on my skin except my eye cream. So yeah, I'll have that for you guys linked down below if y'all want to try that out. I've really been liking this eye cream. I think I got it from TJ Maxx. And I've been using it for a while now, so that's the only thing I put on my face. And so we're about to go in with the new formula of the ultra potent brightening skin serum with the 1% Synovia. So I'm really excited. So just like with the other version, the hydroquinone version, I'm just going to be taking this on a Q-tip. So let's see if I can show y'all up close. I'm just gonna coat the end of my Q-tip like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna be putting it on any of my little spots that we see here. Okay, so now that I'm finished putting the serum on all of my little dark spots, I'm gonna let this dry down. Just like I did before with the hydroquinone serum, I'm gonna let this dry down completely before I put my moisturizer on and then go to bed. I will say the one thing that I noticed from this serum that didn't happen with the hydroquinone serum is that this tingled a little bit on when I put it on. It's not a burning or a stinging or anything like that, just a little bit of a tingle for a few seconds and then it goes away. So that is the only difference. So I'm gonna let this dry down completely, like till it's dry to the touch, and then put my moisturizer on and go to bed. So I will see y'all for check-in on day 2. Hey y'all, so okay, it is actually day 4, and I know I said I would check in with y'all on day like 2 and everything like that, but honestly I haven't really seen a difference in my skin or anything like that. I think on day like 2 or 3 of using the hydroquinone formula, all of my dark spots had like gotten darker and were getting ready to peel, and I just haven't noticed that with this formula. So I haven't been checking in with you guys because like literally nothing has changed. At least I don't I haven't seen anything change. So for that reason, I think I'm gonna switch it up a little bit, just because it's a different formula. I'm gonna go in with my ordinary glycolic acid 7% toning solution. Y'all know I love this stuff. If you have not seen my other videos talking about this stuff, I will link them above for y'all. I love this stuff. So I'm just gonna go in on a cotton swab. I'm still not using anything else other than like literally just my moisturizer. And so now my face is all dried down. I'm gonna go in with my serum like I have been doing. Just putting it on my dark spots like normal. I'm just gonna let this dry down completely for like 30 minutes and I'm gonna put my moisturizer on and go to bed. So that is what I've been doing for the past few days and I will keep y'all posted. All right, y'all, so it has been 7 days. This is day 7. We have done a full week of this new formula with the Synovia. And I have to say, I have not seen any peeling on any of my dark spots like whatsoever, like literally no peeling at all. So that's very different from the hydroquinone formula, but I do feel like my skin is glowing, it's brighter, it's getting more even. I'm just gonna go in with my serum like I've been doing. I'm just gonna put that on my dark spots. And now that that's done, I'm just gonna let this dry down completely and then put my moisturizer on. And we're gonna head on into week 2. I'll check in with y'all later. Bye. Okay, y'all, so it is day 14 and this is what my skin is looking like. I think my spots are starting to get darker, so maybe they were starting to peel, I'm not sure. But I am excited. I can't wait to see what's gonna happen. I am gonna keep going on for the full month. I was hoping to see some lightning results by the 2 weeks, but here we are. And I wanna keep going and show y'all at least like a whole month to see what the results will be. So this is day 14, I'm gonna keep going. Hey y'all, okay, so it is day 20, no, it's past the 21st day. I think it's like the 23rd or the 24th. Anyway, we're past 21 days and this is the check-in. I think I'm seeing like a difference. I never know like exactly how big of a difference until I start editing the video. We are almost there to the 31 day mark and yeah, I think I'm seeing a difference. So this is what my skin is looking like now. I just double washed it. I did like an oil cleanse and used my cleanser. So this is what we're looking like now. I'm about to put the serum on and go to bed. So I will check in with y'all for our last check-in. Okay, y'all, so it is day 31. I have just washed my face. I have on my eye cream or my eye serum. I'm about to put on the brightening serum, but this is what my skin is looking like. I definitely see a difference. I definitely notice a difference over this whole month. So I am so excited to put all the clips together and edit this and show y'all, but I know for a fact there is a difference. So I'm so happy with these results. So let's get into it. Alright, so I want to talk a little bit more in detail about something that's pretty obvious if you're coming from the previous video. That was a 2-week video. The hydroquinone formula took 2 weeks to see results, whereas this one is a month-long video. I think, yeah, about 31 days, and then here I am today on about the 34th, 35th day. So yeah, it took about double the time to see results versus the 2 weeks, but I mean, that time is gonna pass anyway. I'm just glad that I had another option. Once I saw that they didn't have that hydroquinone available for y'all, I didn't think it was fair to just give y'all a video of a product that does not exist anymore. So I definitely wanted to try this out for y'all to see if it held up to the previous formula, and in my opinion, it did. I mean, it didn't work as fast, but hey, here we are. I'm not mad at these results. I don't have on any makeup today. Y'all know when I do these videos, I come to y'all with no makeup on other than my mascara and lip gloss because I don't want to be too too bland on camera. I need some contrast. But yeah, I don't have on any concealer, any foundation, anything like that to trick you guys. This is my skin. This is it. This is what you would see in person. It'd probably look better in person than on camera. But yeah, I mean, 2 weeks versus a month, I'm not mad at, because like I said, the time is gonna pass anyway. Now, Synovia versus hydroquinone, they say it's more powerful. I'm not sure because it did take double the time to work, but I mean, it is what it is. I'm just happy that they came up with this formula because this is still my favorite brightening serum. Even though they changed the formula, I'm still gonna be using this. So yeah, I'm just super happy with these results. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you guys. I hope you guys find this helpful, just because, you know, I always want to bring you guys things that help y'all. And of course, I have everything linked down below in the description so y'all can check them out. That link is going to be an affiliate link, but you don't have to use it if you don't want to. If you want to support me, that's great. But still check it out. Try it for yourself. Of course, be safe because we all have different skin out here, like I always say. But yeah, these are my results and I am super, super happy with them. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it gave y'all some information. I'm sorry it took so long, but I did have to, you know, wait and see the results. So thank y'all so much for tuning in today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with somebody who you think it will help, because that's why I make these videos. Like, I know there's so many questions about skincare out there and so many like expensive products and just you don't know where to start. So share this video and help somebody out so you can skip all the other stuff and find some products that actually work. So thank y'all so much for tuning in today. If you like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Don't forget to follow me on my social media too. Everything's linked down below. So thank y'all so much and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.